Alrighty, so first we're going to open up Chrome. Then once that's open, we're going to go over to the top right underneath the X. We're going to click those three dots. From there, we're going to go down to Settings. And then at the top left of that blue bar, we're going to hit the three bars that kind of look like a hamburger. So the first thing we're going to do is hit the Advanced to open up the full menu. And then I recommend you go down to System and then disable Use Hardware Acceleration. Go ahead and relaunch. This is going to help Chrome run a little smoother. From there, we're going to go back to Settings and we're going to choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Clear Browsing Data, where you get the option for Basic or Advanced. Choose All Time, and then if you want to, you can go ahead and open up Advanced, and you can choose additional options to remove. Once you've got your options picked, go ahead and hit Clear Data. Once that's done, you've now cleaned up your Chrome browser. So now on to Firefox. So once that's opened up, we go to the top right underneath the big X. We hit those three bars that look like a hamburger. And here we choose Options. From Options, we go to Privacy and Security. And then we scroll down just a little bit. Under Cookies and Site Data, we hit Clear Data. We choose what we would like to clear, and then we hit Clear. Now you've successfully cleaned and optimized your Firefox and Chrome browsers.